Welcome back to another reaction for That Time I Got Reincarnated as a Slime, Season 4, Episode 14. Okay. So let's see how these other demons are.
そこは精神生命体であるデーモンの世界であり、冥界、あるいは地獄とも呼ばれる精神世界だ。
あ
Nah.
あ、見ねえ顔だな、てめえ。
邪魔ですよ。
あ
We did sacrifice 2 demons whenever we summon Diablo. Now the question is, do they die? Or is it they just come back here? They're just immortal, but they always come back to the demon realm.
精神生命体であるデーモンは肉体を破壊されても時が経てば復活する。それはマテリアルボディを持たない彼らの特性であり、制約でもあった。物質世界においてデーモンはよりしろに受肉しなければ権限できない。デーモンたちにとって受肉は悲願であり渇望なのだ。
Okay, John. The original yellow. Is it the original yellow? Yes. Hello. At least you are not 15. So, got that going for me.
お久しぶりです、ジョーン。
ノワール。
John Claude Fordham.
受肉したのか
い。今の私にはディアブロという名前があります。我が主、リムル様より尊き名を拝命しましてね。
君に名付け？
ええ、あなたにもリムル様の下で働く栄誉を与えてあげますよ、ジョーヌ。
I like how he's putting that. He's like, I will grant you the honor. And she is probably going like, what do you mean I don't want to? I didn't ask you. I said I grant you the honor. Additionally, I mean, we have all these color demons, primordials. We know red. We know or crimson. We know noir. We know now that green and some other color, blue and green are with crimson, which makes this even more, makes this one make more sense. We know yellow. We know violet. Black, white, but has some black name or something like that. And there was another color I do not remember that we are going to recruit, presumably, right? But because they are all primordials, but Noir got named by Rimuru, that would mean he's stronger than them, right? Because he got a buff, essentially. I really like Magic Circus. I really like whenever someone is behind them who really cares. He's like, you know what? I want to make it look pretty. Right, we so right here. Oh, these were the 6, the 7. Okay, I'm right. I didn't count John. Right. So we have Buck, Violet, Noir, and again, blue and green are with crimson, which is interesting. Is he called Crimson here? He's called Ruhr. Also interesting that she's called the original blue as the original yellow. So some of them may have different iterations. The black numbers. Ah, he's gonna eat those for breakfast. Again, he's level up.
この私に上から目線でいい度胸だ。
That was a really strong
ニム
attack.
ル様のために働ける幸運を前にしてなんと愚かな。ぶっ殺す。
There's something really cool about just snapping and it just happens. There's just some aura behind that, right? Same with To Be Hero X. Just there's something satisfying.
今の私相手にあなたじゃ勝てませんよ。
へえ。リムルだっけ？君に名付けしたのは。
呼び捨ては許せませんが、興味が湧いてきましたか？リムル様は精神性はもちろん、お姿も素晴らしいお方ですよ。艶やかで神々しいまでの透明感、ブルブルと涼しげで愛らしく。
透明。
Jiggly. You really like his slime form?
感。プルプル。
そう。スライムであらせられるのです。
Which is insane. Because slimes are normally seen as the weakest of all monsters. It's essentially our version of a rat. But he's being like, yeah, I got named by slime. Because this slime is the best, biggest thing that ever existed.
へえ、スライムが魔王だって？いいね。君を倒してそいつもぶっ倒してやる。
あなたごときが叶うとでも。
First off, you did not stand any chance. He just handed you easily with a snap. And then you need to get into the real world, to the immortal realm somehow. Get a real body, because you're probably handicapped otherwise. And then fight Rimuru. Yeah. We're doing fighting game combos. I prefer those kinds of fist fights a lot more than the super awesome fights. Just because there's something real about it.
私についてくれば肉体を差し上げますよ。ジョーヌ、ビオレ、そしてブラン。
Blanc, huh? Is that Italian? No, never mind.
あなたたち3人は互いの受肉を妨害し合い、数千年数万年と足を引っ張り合ってきた。
So, okay, so they are in a feud, essentially. They're in a crab bucket. It's like one of them is close to incarnation and the other ones pull her down. If we can't incarnate, you cannot either. The question is, what happened with Crimson and Noir? How did they get incarnated? Were they stronger, or was it like, hey, they had like three? These three fought each other because they're on the same level, and Noir and Crimson were the one keeping each other in check?
実にくだらない。刺激が欲しいんですよね。
I wonder if he's going to kill her.
これで身の程を知りましたか？また迎えに来ますから、それまでに準備を終えておくように。
Playing with Leon, huh? I do not remember. I only remember Leon he wants to find someone somehow. I'm assuming it's not hers, but she had contact with Leon. Interesting. Leon has contact with a bunch of devils. Because he has contact with Crimson, theoretically with Blue and Green as well. Because they are with Crimson. Was he just called Guy? And everyone has seemingly 2 disciples. Noah had 2 as well, and both of them sacrificed themselves for him. No, they sacrificed. Right, they sacrificed themselves to provide the magicules to resurrect all the people in the city. Right.
負けてない。次があるっしょ。だから負けてないって。退屈な時間が終わりそうじゃないか。
Reminds me a little bit of Death Note.
それはともかくとしてだ。仕返しはその日のうちに。
さっきはよくもやってくれたな。
They're playing pinball, I see, okay. So Violet or Blank?
君たち
Violet.
さ、本当に反省したのかな？してないよね。
The original purple. I do wonder if we find someone who's not original.
してない。
お嬢様。
それじゃ始めよっか。
No thank you.
今忙しいんだけど邪魔しないでくれる？ノワール。
ディアブロと呼ぶように言ったでしょ。
So he met her already? Also, no one is like questioning where he's gone?
ビオレ。忙しそうには見えませんが。
こいつらは僕の受肉の計画を台無しにしてくれちゃったのさ。お仕置き中だよ。
受肉ですか。それならばちょうどいい。ニムル様の配下になればその願いは叶うでしょ。
余計なお世話って知ってる？
I mean, you want to incarnate. He's giving you an opportunity to incarnate. If Rimuru is too weak, you can just break free, right? So I don't see a downtime.
あなたに拒否権などありませんよ。私と戦っても勝てないことは証明済みでしょ。ジョーヌとブラン。同様の話を2人にも伝えます。賢い彼女たちはあなたより先に受肉してしまうかもしれませんね。
Smart. I assume it wouldn't work on John because she's not as smart, or she's more hot-blooded. But maybe this tactic works on Violet pretty well. Do you want to be left behind? Do you want to be the weak one?
さあね。あいつのことだから信用はならないけど。
Fair.
満足できる体でなきゃ。まとめて殺せばいいだけのことさ。
Exactly. I don't know who Great Rimuru is. So how do you assume they know his charm?
これはようやく話の通じそうなものに出会いました。
So she has a whole group. Not only like 2 or 3 people. She has a whole army.
ブランのところまで案内するがいい。黒の王。断れば。
Black King. Now that is a different name.
私もそこらの屍どもと同じ末路だ。しかし、ご主人様に無断で招き入れてしまえば制裁が待っている。これは罪では。
I mean, you get revived if you're Arcade, right?
お久しぶりです、黒の王よ。ご主人様ですが、特別にお会いになるとのことです。
Black King.
ほう。こんなところに隠れていたのですね。
Are we gonna have a tea party? Oh, she's playing her own boss theme. The original white. How long?
受肉したのね、ノワール。
そうです。今の私は
ディアブロというのね。
うん。なるほど、話が早い。私は今、魔王となられたリムル様の配下として働いていましてね。それこそ八面六臂の大活躍。何度もお褒めのお言葉をいただいております。そこでブラン、あなたにもリムル様の下で働く喜びを教えて差し上げようと私自ら出向いた次第です。まずい、ご主人様の機嫌が。
Is there like a counter system? Because she's white, he is black. Is she strong against him? Or do the colors don't matter?
黒の王。お黙りなさいな。会いましょう。
That was easy.
私も一度その方に会ってみることにします。
I feel like all of them are okay. We are going to do that, but if I see a chance, I'm going to kill him and I'm going to be free. Just for them to be stricken. I mean, okay, they know Noir or Diablo, sure. They're like, okay, Rimuru, sure, we meet him. Do they know about Valdora? Do they know about Milim? You know, these are like tiny little details we should also clarify, maybe.
待ってくれ。頼む。俺はあんたの配下にしてくれ。何でもする。だから。
Then go die.
せめて名前だけでも教えてくれ。
いいでしょう。我が名はディアブロ。
With the other demon lords coming to serve Rimuru, do they not just take the 4 elite positions? If they are all similar strengths to Diablo. Diablo.
様。
ほう。
魔王リムル。
I like her.
第二秘書ディアブロ。ただいま戻りました。
おう、おかえり。心配しちゃいなかったけど、無事で何よりだ。
身に余るお言葉、魂に刻み込ませていただきます。
それで仲間集めは？
Yeah. Some. I found some people lying there. No one specific. No great names. Just some old dudes I know.
つがなく、ひとまずこの場合は3人。リムル様にお目通りする資格を有すると、私が判断したものを連れてまいりました。
おお、3人とも女性か。しかも美人。ディアブロの古い知り合いだっけ？強そうには見えないけど。
Are they full strength? They are in. I don't know. Are they already in the puppets? Right. That is why we did make those with all the cores and stuff, so they can take them over. Are they already in there? Are they full strength? Are they at full strength still not considered strong in Rimuru's eyes?
いいな。この3社はデーモンの中でも上位者、アークデーモンです。
Okay, so we get lesser, greater. Who's the demon lord? We're not talking about. Are we? Yeah, we are. Okay, we are demon lords. I don't know. Is the demon lord in this position us or Rimuru? Are those the demon lords? Or is it outside? Is there a demon out there who's seen as the strongest demon of them all? Because the demons seem to be outside of the demon lord system. Because demon lord system is essentially just a title you get. I feel like the demon lord in this pyramid is someone who evolved from an archdemon and not necessarily Rimuru.
アークデーモンです。アークデーモン？マスを完全に制御して人間に擬態している模様。ああ、それで。
So they're faking their strengths, I guess. Okay. I aim to name them yellow, white, and purple.
すごい擬態だな。普通の人間にしか見えない。君たちがアークデーモンだってホーリーナイトでも見抜けないんじゃないか？なんか変な。
Oh, it was a test. Sneaky woman. Yeah, it was a test. Test to see if we can differentiate between their greatness and human.
さすがはリムル様です。
Which again, he did not. He did not do, but Raphael did.
では、彼女たちからご挨拶を。
はじめまして、魔王リムルだ。私たちの正体を一瞬で見抜くとはな。ならば。
That's it? You didn't even shatter the glass.
なるほど、頼もしいよ。
Strange greeting.
ほう。さすがだ、我が主よ。我が軍勢200を引き連れ、リムル様の軍門に下るとしよう。おう、よろしくな。
We get a demon army? I assumed we only get these guys? Because the whole point was that Diablos wanted to stay at Rimuru's side and send these chumps out to do his job, you know, destroying countries, killing like the leaders, the simple stuff.
失礼しました。続いて。
はじめまして、リムル様。私と配下200。ぜひともリムル様の配下へとお加えくださいませ。
僕も同じだよ。です。僕のしもべ200と一緒にリムル様にお仕えしたいです。おう、2人も頼んだぞ。
Especially because they are demons. They can't die, right? So they die here, they go back reincarnated. They can incarnate again.
姿を見せることを許す。権限せよ。
Not very orderly.
ってちょっと待った。あいつらもアークデーモンじゃ
？Are they?
この6名が先の3人の腹心であり、少しは見どころのある者たちです。ちなみに、このグレーターデーモンは道中に拾いました。
なんでボロボロなのかは聞かないでおく。
さあ、リムル様へご挨拶を。
我らは今この時より魔王リムル様の忠実なるしもべです。何なりとご命令を。
それじゃあ早速。
Okay, now they get their bodies. Naturally, Z3 gets the super strong ultra bodies. I'm very interested in what he's going to call them. And can he call them all at the same time? Can he name them? Or is he going to go unconscious after one?
おいおい、今度は何よ。
何どうしたの？待たせて悪かったな。君たちの外見は俺が調整しようか？
リムル様自ら？
君たちは別枠っぽいし。それと骨格はこれにしようと思うんだけど。これはオリハルコン。
美しいわね。
ねえこの3人この3人なんだけど、すっごく長生きしてない？
俺も思った。
やっぱりそうなのか。自分と同じ階級のアークデーモンを2体も従えてるしな。それって単なるエネルギー量だけじゃ測れない何かがあるってことなのか？
はい。デーモンには生存年数別の区分が存在します。1000年以上を生きる古代種のものは支配者階級に属し。
Okay, over 1,000 are dominant. Let's see. Baronet, Chevalier, Baron, Viscount, Count, over 1,000 years. Oh, yeah. Marquis over 3. And Kings. He was called Black King. I'm assuming they are all kings then.
1000年以上生きる古代種のものは支配者階級に属し。
Since the dawn of time.
他と隔絶する権能を有するとされています。個体名ディアブロと先の3名は支配者階級であると推測します。
なるほどね。つまり3人娘がディアブロ並みに超ヤバいって話だな。でも、
Not yet.
どれだけ生きたかは置いといて、すごいデーモンが仲間になったってことでいいんじゃない？
大事なのは重ねた時間ではなくその生き様。そういうことなのですね。
全然違う。
Now, right, names. Also, now that they have a body, would they still be reincarnated if the body gets destroyed?
いや、こいつらの名前って？
ございません。
そうか。だったら、
おいおい、まさか。
君たちに名前をつけようと思うんだけど。
大丈夫ですの？
まあ、なんとかなるだろう。名
Sure.
前をつければ君たちの力は増すし、俺も呼びやすいからな。ってことでどうかな？
お願いしますわ。
うん、嬉しいです。
異議なし。
よし、決まりだな。ここはディアブロと同じスーパーカーシリーズ。
Supercar names. I assumed you called him Diablo because he was like a devil, not a supercar. You probably mentioned that earlier. So what are we doing? It's supercar names, not the companies. So it's not Ferrari, Porsche or something. I don't know car names, so...
で行こう。
Yep.
スタロッサ、彼ら、ウルティマ。
You know, it's like Testarossa. Okay. Okay. Fitting. We have Carrera. Okay. Ultima. I feel like her name is synonymous with like, oh my fucking god, we are boned. You know, Ultima is like pretty... It is ultimate now.
ウルティマ。
Little unbalanced.
これからはその名を名乗るがいい。
Is it nappy time?
おい、そいつらにそんな軽々しく名前をつけたら。
名前を授けたことによりデーモンロードへと進化しました。
Demon Pierce. Okay, okay. I like that fit. Very fitting. It looks like could be a detective. Maybe a time-traveling detective. Okay. The dress looks cute. Looks fluffy. He looks somewhat happy. Happier than before. I don't like this one. It hides your boobs. I don't like that. I liked your previous outfit a lot more. Not only because of the boobs, but it just fit really well.
マジか、なんつうエネルギー量だよ。
体の調子はどうだ？
So what are demon peers? They're bigger than arc demons?
最高だよ。すごいね、この体は。
リムル様、今後とも忠誠を誓うこと、ぜひともお許しくださいます。実は一目見た時から胸のときめきが収まりませんの。
Yeah, get in the line. There are a lot more people before you that want some of that Rimuru, and Diablo is more or less position 1.
僕もさっきからワクワクが止まらないよ。リムル様に全力でお仕えします。
私もだ。何でも命じてくれ、我が君よ。
良きに計らえ。それから他のデーモンたちも受肉のついでに名前を授けることにした。
Why do they get normal names? Meanwhile, the goblins were like numbered or something. Archdemons, Esprit, Agera, Zonda.
腹心たちのうちデーモンロードに進化したのはモスとベイロンの2体。ベノムはアークデーモンに進化した。他の配下たちも名付けることで A ランクオーバーに格上げされた。
Why are you? What are you doing with your fingers there? What is that hand? Bad touch. Bad touch.
A ランクオーバーに格上げされた。かくして。
Oh. New demon army.
後にブラックナンバーズと呼ばれる悪魔軍団が誕生したのである。
So, theoretically, you have like 700 archdemons at your disposal. Who could fight you now? We know Diablos is super ultra strong. I'm assuming Diablos is, not as strong as Rimuru, but on a comfortable level there, Now we have 3 additional of them, and theoretically 2 that are close to that, and a bunch of archdemons. I feel like there's no real country that could now fight against Rimuru. Maybe the Eastern Empire? But if they are that strong, they could have just taken over the Western Empire, or Western nations. Maybe they were occupied unifying the East. Because, again, I feel like Rimuru's army is now so damn strong. I wonder, Gobda and Ranga Fusion, how are they ranking with these? Are they as strong?
この名に誓って忠誠を。
僕もウルティマの名に誓うよ。デーモンたちを拷問するよりリムル様の下で働く方が楽しめそうだしね。
私も頂戴した彼らという名に誓おう。
せいぜい私の手を煩わせることのなきよう。
We know Crimson Guy is the red. Is he as strong as Diablo, or is he stronger? Because if he's not stronger, doesn't that mean that Rimuru is stronger than Guy already?
リムル様だけではなく 私の命令にも従ってもらいますよ。というような会話があったのです。あの者どもは私の指揮下に入り。
Oh no. That means he can be sent over to do the diplomacy thing. Aww, our little Diablo. He worked so hard just to be sent off
い
again.
ましたが、何をしでかすかわかりません。リムル様には不要な心配でしょうが、一応ご注意を。
てその3人はお前が呼んできたんだよ。
You are the one that named them.
ま、ディアブロの
Is that a little slime? It is. Aw, cute.
ディアブロの指揮下に入ったんだし、全責任はこいつにあるってことで。うまい。
Okay, we got a bunch of more demons. It's unsettling feeling. Oh. Yeah, I don't know who's going to be able to fight Rimuru. Again, if, let's say we fight Guy Crimson, we have 4 demons, archdemons, or demon peers, and they have 3. And they're not named, right? So that means they are theoretically weaker? I wonder how that works. Yeah, but I feel like we have to wait for a long time before we get any progress on that. At least we got some new people. They're super strong. I don't know personally what they're going to be used for. The demon peers, it makes sense to have them take over some of Diablo shops, going to different countries, undermining them, or spying, stuff like that, sure. But I don't know what the 700 archdemons are going to do. They're just living in the dungeon, I guess. Maybe there's some kind of job that we can make them do. But I'm wondering where this is going to go next. And I can't see anyone really being able to put up a fight. We still have Veldora. We still have all the goblins. We have all the Oni. This nation is far too strong.